The original bike looks like, I would say something like a transformer. It's a massive bike that has a lot of power. It's the first bike with a supercharge.
Today is an important day for us because Gerbrand from REV'IT is coming to our workshop to see the bike for the first time. I really hope that he's happy about the result.
We chose the Wrenchmonkees because we like the aesthetic that they have. What we do normally in our product development is very technical garments that has to be safe. So you use different materials that are abrasion resistant, or you use protection underneath. So you have on the outside you have a beautiful skin, on the inside you have technology. That feeling we want to show also in a bike.
Eventually they came up with this idea to do it on a Kawasaki H2. It was like, wait, that's nothing we've done before.
We have this donor bike which looks very aggressive. Can we make it more elegant?
We thought that could be a really interesting challenge to take a modern hyper bike and try to make it into a Wrenchmonkees bike. We tried to find some pictures of a strip H2. We saw some great lines on the bike that took us back to the superbikes era of the late 80s and the 90s. So that was kind of our inspiration.
Basically everything except the engine has been modified. Modified frame. We built a new subframe.
Two-piece built-in aluminum gas tank.
Air intake for the supercharger.
We changed the swing arm into an aluminum tubular swing arm.
Modified ZX7R race fairing. Upgraded suspension.
Brake systems.
Special made magnesium wheels. The most challenging part was to make the monocoque, the tank and the rear end in one piece. I spent tons of hours with clay and wood to make a mold, and from that mold do a 100% copy. Everything has been kind of reworked.
Let's go look at the bike.
Okay. It's not recognizable at all. When I first saw the bike, I was really impressed. It gave me a little bit goosebumps. We want to redefine how products in the industry are looking. And a bike is of course the first inspiration. If I put this bike in our design department, everybody will be inspired to build new products.
The best thing about the project is when you put everything back together and all the thoughts and all the ideas you have actually come to life. The decisions we took about the frame and the swing arm, the lines are right and it stands out. It looks the way you hoped it would, and at this time I think it looks even better actually.
I think for sure people will be inspired to ride when seeing this bike.